come before you with a humble heart, thinking of my children, even when we are apart. Ndiri kukumbira rudo rwenyu nenyasha. Protect them, Lord, from the world's heavy storms. Keep them safe and warm in your holy arms. Famba inavo, ishe wangu, watungamirire pamazu aose. Be the light that shines upon their path. Protect them from the shadows and from any wrath. Stay by their side, don't let them go astray. Vachengete ishe mazuva ose. When the road is steep and the way is unclear, whisper in their hearts so they know you are near. Vepenjerete kuziva zwakana kane zwakaipa. Make them brave and make them bold, make them strong. Hey! Every step they take, may your footprints be there. Answer, oh Lord, a parent's deep prayer. Protect their feet from the paths of the dark. Don't let the world leave a hollow mark. Vabisei kunes we no taka ishe wedu. Keep their minds clear and their spirits new. When temptation calls with a silver tongue, protect the future of those who are young. Yeah. Build a wall of fire where the shadows creep. Watch over them even while they sleep. Bisei kunezwa kaipas we no viringiza. Give them the strength that your spirit provides. Let them walk in honor, let them walk in truth. Preserve the innocence and the heart of their youth. Makatiba zipo izwi, tibabatire kukura. Muchirudo renyu, tibabatire kuziva. That you are the shepherd, the guardian, the friend. A love that is holy, a love without end. Famba inavo, ishe wangu, watungamirire pamazu ase. Be the light that shines upon their path. Protect them from the shadows and from any wrath. Stay by their side, don't let them go astray. Vachengete ishe mazuva ose. In your hands I leave them. Mumaoko enyu Dinovasia.